Assalamu alaikum. As we said, this course for just absolute beginners. So today we have the letter Zal. First of all, Zal pronounced like the th in them, that, there, and these, etc. It has two ways to write, the original shape and this shape. We write it in that shape when it came at the beginning of the word and when it came after one of the 6 letters which can't connect on the left side with other letters. And these letters is Alif, Dal, Zal, Ra, Zay, Waw. Like we can see in the Zahab word, and Zahab meaning gold. It came at the beginning, so it will be in the original shape, and the word Uzun, and it came like this because Zal after one of the 6 letters which can't connect on the left side with other letters. The other shape of Zal, as we can see, Hiza, and Hiza meaning shoes. Zal came in the middle of the word, but it came after letter Ha, and we have Tilmiz word, and Tilmiz meaning a student, and it came in this shape because it came after letter Ya. And that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye.